Introduction, where rustic charm meets nature. Creating a backyard that feels warm, timeless, and inviting. Welcome to another inspiring garden journey where timeless farmhouse beauty blends effortlessly with the peaceful charm of nature. Today, we're exploring beautiful rustic farmhouse garden ideas that can transform any ordinary backyard into a magical outdoor retreat. Whether your space is large or small, rustic design celebrates natural materials, vintage character, and cozy living. Throughout this tour, you'll discover charming fences, welcoming gates, flourishing flower beds, inviting patios, and thoughtful decorative details that create an atmosphere filled with warmth, comfort, and lasting beauty. Let's step into a backyard where every corner tells a story and every season brings new inspiration. The entrance, a wooden gate that welcomes every visitor. First impressions filled with farmhouse character. Every unforgettable garden begins with a welcoming entrance. Imagine a handcrafted wooden gate built from weathered timber, framed by climbing roses and fragrant jasmine. The natural imperfections and age would add authenticity that new materials simply cannot imitate. Gravel pathways lead visitors through the gate, while antique lanterns softly illuminate the entrance after sunset. A simple wooden sign displaying the family name adds a personal touch. Together, these elements create a warm invitation that immediately communicates comfort, hospitality, and rustic elegance before anyone even steps into the garden. Rustic fences, defining spaces with natural beauty. Classic wood fencing that ages gracefully. Rustic farmhouse fences do far more than mark property lines. Built from cedar, pine, or reclaimed wood, they provide texture, warmth, and visual interest throughout the landscape. Their weathered finish blends naturally into surrounding greenery instead of competing with it. Flowering vines weave between fence boards while lavender, daisies, and hydrangeas soften the edges. Decorative iron hinges and handcrafted details reinforce the farmhouse aesthetic. Over time, the fence develops even greater character, becoming a beautiful backdrop that enhances every season, from colorful spring blooms to snowy winter landscapes. Winding garden paths, inviting you to explore. Stone walkways that reveal hidden beauty. A magical garden encourages exploration, and winding pathways accomplish exactly that. Natural stepping stones, crushed gravel, or reclaimed bricks gently guide visitors through colorful flower beds and lush greenery. Curved paths create curiosity, revealing beautiful views one section at a time rather than exposing the entire garden immediately. Moss growing between stones adds an aged appearance that feels established and timeless. Along the edges, herbs like thyme and oregano release delightful fragrances as you walk past, making every stroll through the garden a peaceful sensory experience. beds overflowing with cottage beauty. Layers of color inspired by traditional farmhouses. Rustic farmhouse gardens embrace abundance instead of rigid perfection. Layered flower beds filled with roses, foxgloves, peonies, coneflowers, daisies, and lavender create rich textures and vibrant colors throughout the growing season. Native wildflowers attract butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, bringing constant movement and life into the landscape. Rather than arranging flowers in strict geometric patterns, they appear naturally grouped, creating the impression of a garden that has matured gracefully over generations while remaining beautifully cared for. Cozy rustic patio spaces. Outdoor living designed for everyday relaxation. A farmhouse garden becomes truly magical when it encourages people to spend time outdoors. A rustic patio built with natural stone or reclaimed brick serves as the perfect gathering place. Wooden rocking chairs, vintage metal seating, soft linen cushions, and handcrafted tables create a welcoming environment for family and friends. String lights hanging overhead produce a warm evening glow, while potted herbs and flowering containers surround the seating area with fresh scents. Every meal, conversation, and quiet morning coffee feels more meaningful in such a thoughtfully designed outdoor space. Vintage garden decorations. Repurposed treasures full of personality. One of the defining features of farmhouse style is giving old items new purpose. Antique watering cans become flower planters. Wooden barrels transform into colorful container gardens. Vintage ladders display climbing plants, while old wagon wheels become charming decorative accents. Galvanized tubs overflow with seasonal blooms, and reclaimed windows decorate garden walls with nostalgic appeal. These carefully chosen vintage pieces introduce history, personality, and authenticity, ensuring the garden feels collected over time rather than decorated all at once. Raised vegetable gardens. Beauty and harvest working together. Farmhouse gardens beautifully combine ornamental landscaping with practical gardening. Raised wooden beds filled with tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, beans, herbs, and seasonal vegetables provide fresh harvests while enhancing the landscape. Cedar boxes weather naturally and blend seamlessly into rustic surroundings. Decorative trellises support climbing beans and cucumbers, adding vertical interest. Interplanting vegetables with marigolds and edible flowers creates colorful displays while attracting beneficial pollinators. This thoughtful balance of beauty and function reflects the heart of traditional farmhouse living. Charming pergolas covered in climbing plants. Creating shade with living architecture. A rustic wooden pergola instantly becomes a focal point in any backyard. Covered with climbing roses, wisteria, clematis, or grapevines, it creates a shaded retreat perfect for relaxing during warm afternoons. Sunlight filters gently through leaves and blossoms, producing constantly changing patterns across the seating area below. Hanging lanterns, woven baskets, and comfortable furniture complete the inviting atmosphere. As plants mature, the pergola becomes increasingly beautiful, offering both structure and softness within the overall garden design. Water features that bring peace. The gentle sound of flowing water. Adding water introduces another layer of tranquility to a rustic farmhouse garden. A small stone fountain, vintage hand pump, or reclaimed trough transformed into a pond creates soothing sounds that encourage relaxation. Water lilies, aquatic grasses, and surrounding flowers soften the edges while birds frequently visit for drinking and bathing. The gentle movement of water reflects sunlight throughout the day, adding sparkle and life. Even a modest water feature can dramatically increase the feeling of calm throughout the entire backyard. Outdoor lighting for magical evenings. Warm illumination that extends garden enjoyment. As daylight fades, thoughtful lighting transforms a beautiful garden into an enchanting nighttime retreat. Warm string lights suspended between trees, solar lanterns lining pathways, vintage wall sconces, and candlelit tables create layers of soft illumination without overwhelming the natural surroundings. The gentle glow highlights wooden fences, flowering plants, and stone pathways while maintaining an intimate atmosphere. Evening gatherings become memorable as the garden feels peaceful, welcoming, and comfortably connected to the surrounding landscape. Rustic garden structures. Sheds and greenhouses with timeless appeal. Garden sheds and greenhouses can become attractive design features rather than simple storage spaces. Painted in soft neutral colors with weathered wood accents, these buildings complement the farmhouse aesthetic beautifully. Window boxes overflowing with flowers, climbing vines, and decorative shutters soften their appearance. Inside, shelves filled with clay pots, gardening tools, and woven baskets maintain an organized yet charming atmosphere. These structures add functionality while reinforcing the storybook character of the backyard. Wildlife-friendly garden spaces. Inviting nature to become part of the landscape. Rustic farmhouse gardens flourish when wildlife becomes a natural part of everyday life. Birdhouses mounted on wooden posts, bee-friendly flowers, butterfly gardens, shallow bird baths, and native shrubs encourage countless beneficial visitors. Pollinators support healthy flowers and vegetables, while birds add cheerful songs throughout the day. Avoiding excessive chemical treatments helps maintain a balanced ecosystem where plants, insects, and wildlife coexist harmoniously, creating a lively garden that constantly feels connected to nature. Personal touches that make the garden unique. Adding meaning beyond decoration. The most memorable farmhouse gardens reflect the personalities of the people who care for them. Handmade signs, family heirlooms, handcrafted benches, personalized planters, favorite flowers, and meaningful decorative pieces create emotional connections throughout the landscape. These thoughtful details cannot be purchased as a complete collection. They develop naturally over time through experiences, memories, and creativity. As each personal touch is added, the garden becomes more than a beautiful space. It becomes an extension of home and family. Conclusion: a backyard filled with rustic magic. Creating lasting beauty one thoughtful detail at a time. Beautiful rustic farmhouse gardens are not created through expensive materials or complicated designs. Instead, they grow from thoughtful choices that celebrate nature, craftsmanship, comfort, and timeless simplicity. From welcoming wooden gates and weathered fences to flourishing flower beds, peaceful patios, vintage decorations, and cozy lighting, every element contributes to an outdoor sanctuary that feels magical in every season. No matter the size of your backyard, embracing rustic farmhouse principles allows you to create a place where family gathers, nature thrives, and everyday moments become unforgettable memories surrounded by lasting beauty.